In today's video, we are going to show you how to lip sync in Higgsfield. If you want to make your AI character talk realistically, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and once you are inside the Higgsfield dashboard, I want you to go to the top corner where you can see the option that says video, and then scroll down until you find the Lip Sync Studio. Now, the first thing that you need to do is upload your image or video. And then once the image has been uploaded, you have two options at the bottom. You can create an audio to speech or generate an audio. It's up to you. You can upload it if you want, but for now, we're going to choose the audio text. I'm going to create a prompt for that specific image. Okay, so here you need to describe the scene you imagine with details. So for example, let's say lip sync using this text. All right. Now at the bottom, you can also scroll down to choose the model. Okay, so you can choose from a King, 2.6 lip sync, Google VO 3, Higgsfield. It's up to you. Once you have selected the model, click the generate button. And this may take a few moments depending on your video length, because Higgsfield will now analyze the speech and automatically animate the mouth movements to match the dialogue. Okay, so if by any chance you encountered this error, it's okay, don't worry. Just click the delete button, because we can always go back to the Lip Sync Studio. Instead, I am going to choose another photo. I'm gonna do the same process, and hopefully this time, we should not be getting any problems. Once the generation is complete, preview your video, watch closely. Are fast words syncing properly? If needed, you can trim the audio, adjust the timing, and of course, tweak the settings for the prompt. Okay? Remember, clean, sharp audio is equivalent to realistic mouth movement. And basically, that's how you lip sync in Higgsfield. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.